Imagine every single day you wake up and you check on your Instagram a post like this regarding your business promotion has been automatically created and posted. Is this possible? Every day can I post unique content on Instagram? That means new caption and new images. And does it require any coding or programming skills to create this setup? No, it doesn't. The setup that you can see on the screen right here, you can create this entire setup without need of any coding and programming skills using an amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. So without wasting any time, let me show you how you can create the automation where with the help of Gemini, how you can automatically post every single day unique content on Instagram. So first of all, open a new tab and you have to search for pabbly.com/connect and Pabbly Connect's landing page is going to appear in front of you. So let me search and you will see the landing page is going to appear. On the landing page of Pabbly Connect, you will find two options. One is sign in, other one is sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you have not logged in into Pabbly Connect, simply sign up for free from here. You will get 100 free tasks. That means you can create the setup right away without paying any cost. Okay, sign up for free from here. That means you can create the setup without paying any cost. Okay, I am already a user, so I will sign in from here directly. After signing in, you will come to the All Pabbly Apps section. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I will click on this Access Now button and you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now to create a new setup, that means a new automation, go towards this Create Workflow button where I'm going to create this workflow from scratch. And for the name of this workflow over here, I will write it as I built a Gemini bot that posts on Instagram automatically. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'll select the workflows folder and create the workflow. Inside Pabbly Connect's workflow, there are two major steps, trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. We are going to set up our trigger where the trigger application is going to be scheduled by Pabbly and the event is going to be scheduled workflow. My requirement is that every single day at a particular time regarding my business promotion and Instagram post should be created. So as I want this workflow should run automatically every single day so that I don't have to run anything manually. That is why I'm selecting my trigger application as scheduled by Pabbly and the event as scheduled workflow. Click on this connect button. Intervals over here are going to be every day. Every single day this workflow is going to run in the morning 12 p.m. So I will select the timing over here as 12 p.m. Every day at 12 p.m. this workflow is going to be executed automatically. You can see how often do you want to run this workflow every day at 12 Asia Kolkata time zone. So now after setting up this schedule by Pabbly, now what I want is as this workflow is going to run every single day, automatically first Gemini should generate me the caption. And after generating the caption, according to the unique caption, the image should be generated with Gemini itself. So now to generate a unique caption, add an action step in which for the action application, I will select over here as Google AI Studio, that is Gemini. And the event is going to be generate content. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can select an existing connection. I will teach you how you can add a new one. For that, you need to provide the API key to have that go towards this hyperlink directly. And you will come to the playground page of your Gemini account. Now after coming here, go to this get API section. Now you have to generate the key. For that, click on this create API key button. Name the key, enter the project and you will generate the key just like this. Copy this link from here, the key from here and paste it right here in the field and click on this save button. That is how you build the connection between Google Gemini and Pabbly Connect. Now after the connection has been created, firstly it is asking for the text. Now as you open Gemini, you need to enter the prompt according to which you want Gemini to generate the content for. That prompt you have to enter right here in the text field. So my prompt over here is going to be, you're a creative social media manager from a premium skincare brand called Natural Glow Skincare. That's the name of my business. And as I want to generate the unique captions for my business promotion, that is why I've entered this prompt accordingly. I will read out the bit part of this prompt, but if you want this entire detailed prompt that I've entered in this field, you have to comment down below, give me the prompt and I will share you the prompt instantly. Okay, it says your task is to generate unique and engaging Instagram caption every time the prompt runs. Okay, you can see right over here I've entered the guidelines and the importance and the output is a single Instagram caption paragraph with hashtags at the end. So now using this amazing prompt, the unique captions every time will be generated. Now after entering what I want, for the model I will use over here as Gemini Pro. If you want, you can use different model according to your requirement. So I will select over here Gemini Pro latest. Method is going to be generate content and I will generate the caption by clicking on the save and send test request button. AI will take few seconds in order to generate the caption, so you might have to wait over here for few seconds. Okay, so let me see. And you can see the response has been generated with the caption as, so this is the caption: your beauty sleep just got a luxurious upgrade. While you rest, your skin enters deep cellular repair mode. You can see this entire caption with amazing hashtags has now been generated. As now this caption has been generated successfully, now what I want Gemini to create an image according to the caption that Gemini has generated. For that, I'm going to add an action step in which again I will select over here as Gemini, that's Google AI Studio, and now the event is going to be generate and edit images Nano Banana. Click on this connect button. If you want, you can add a new connection. I will select the existing connection from before and click on this save button. Okay. Now after that, it is asking for me to select the model. For the model, I will use Nano Banana Pro right here. If you want, you can use different model according to your requirement. Method is going to be generate content. For the prompt, this prompt is going to be regarding generating the images according to the caption. So now I will update the prompt right here. So this is the prompt. You are an expert AI image prompt creator for an premium skincare brand called Natural Glow Skincare. Based on Instagram caption below, generate a high quality visually stunning image prompt. So now if you want this entire detailed prompt for generating the image, you have to comment down below for that as well. And for the caption data right here, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Where you want to map the data, add a slash. Previous step is going to appear in front of you, and over here in the previous step you will see this is the content that is generated. And as for this caption, I want to generate the image. I will select the data from my previous response. As now I've selected this data from my previous response, the data in this field has been mapped. You can see this is clearly mapped, and as this data has been mapped, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response of the new caption will be generated in this previous step, that new caption will be updated in place of this mapped data. Okay. Output is only one detailed image. Now it is asking for the URL file. There is no file, so I'm going to simply toggle this button on and leave the field blank, and there is no image URL, so I'll skip the part and click on this save and send test request button. As soon as I'm going to do that, within few seconds you are going to see that an image by Gemini Nano Banana is going to be generated. So you have to wait over here for the image. I will show you the image URL, open it and show you what kind of image Gemini has generated for this caption right here. And you can see right over here the image has been generated successfully. This is the URL. If I'm going to copy this URL and open it on a new tab, you will see the image has been generated, and Gemini as now has generated this image. Now what we are going to do is we are going to upload this image as a post on our Instagram account. For that, simply you have to go back to the workflow. Now there is one slight problem. You can see as I have copied the URL, this is a very long URL right here. Instagram do not accept long URLs like this, so we have to shorten this URL. For shortening the URL, I will be using bit.ly right over here. So I'm going to search bit.ly, and the event is going to be shorten link. Click on this connect button, and then I'm going to click on this add new connection and connect with bit.ly option. Now this is the account. I will allow from this account right here. As soon as I will do that, the connection between bit.ly and Pabbly Connect is going to be created. This is the group with the help of which the long URL are going to be shortened, and for the long URL I will map the data of this image URL and click on this save and send test request button. You will see this is the link right over here. What I'm going to do is I will add an action step in which for the action application, now I will select over here as Instagram for business, and the event is going to be create upload publish photo. Click on this connect button. Now I'm going to add a new connection. For that, click on this connect with Instagram for business button. This is the account with the help of which I have created my Instagram account, so I'm going to continue from this account from here. As soon as I will do that, automatically Instagram for business is going to be connected to Pabbly Connect, where firstly I have to select the account in which I want to create the post. Okay, so let it load first. So this is the account in the name of Michael Angelo where I want to create the post. So I will select it. For the photo URL, I will map the data of the shorter URL that I've received. And for the caption, I will map the data of this caption that is generated and click on the save and send test request button. As soon as I will do that, it will take few seconds for the response to arrive. So let me show you the positive response. So now I have received this response where I have received the status as success. So if I'm going to open my Instagram account and refresh this profile page from here, in front of you, you will see in the new post the same image and the same caption has been created on my Instagram account. You can see the same generated caption and the image. Now every day at 12 p.m. in the morning, this workflow is going to be automatically executed where Gemini is first going to generate the caption, then according to the caption, Gemini will generate me the image using Nano Banana, and as both of the details are generated automatically, an Instagram post is going to be published using this entire setup. Now you don't have to write content or generate content manually. This workflow is going to do your work daily. Now you can create promotional images using this amazing software. Using this amazing setup, you can enter this prompt accordingly, like exactly what you want. Like if you want specific kind of images to be generated for your specific business or for your personal content creation, everything can be done through this amazing automation. Guys, go ahead, create the setup right away, as it's very easy and anyone can create the setup right now. And I have a gift for you. If you're planning to purchase any of our yearly or lifetime plans, you can check out the code I've added on the left side of my screen. That will get you instant discounts on the purchase. Go ahead, use the code buy our plan and automate your business right away. Okay, if you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. If you want the template of this setup absolutely for free, I will give you the exact template that I've created in this video, so that you don't have to create the entire workflow yourself. You can check out the workflow link in the description section, or just comment down below and I will share you the template right away. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.